So in the previous video, about 25 minutes, we just went through this, you guys helped me rebuild this 222 6821 master cylinder. Now we got it up here in the vise, got some fluid in it, gonna bleed this thing out, and we're gonna check for flow. I'm gonna show you some things. So, yes, this master cylinder is unique. Bendix designed it. The piston actually sets out from the flange at rest to try to get just a little bit more fluid out of the stroke. It was a special design that Bendix did. So, here we go. Let's check it. That's that residual pressure valve doing what it's supposed to be doing, that little spurt. Now that's our first time of pumping this, and I want you to see that piston return, how smooth it is, and that rear wiper seal right there. So when we made our stroke and it's rebounding, it rebounded and rebounded, coming on back. You know, those seals are tight, and as that spring is almost all the way rebound completely, that piston slows down right at the end. That tells you that it's wiping just as good as it can wipe. That last little bit, it drags. That seal's got just that perfect tension on it. Still a miracle to me. Watch it. The piston's going to be returning. Watch that piston. Boom. Did you see it? It comes back really quick, that rebound. See it drag right there at the end? Coolest shit to this day. Yeah, I'm sorry. I get all laid up with this stuff. All sentimental and shit. Okay, let's check for some flow. Damn thing's got to have some flow, right? You see that stream out of there? There we go. She's flowing just like what she should, and apparently she don't have any leaks, and that piston has got just the perfect drag on it. We be toleranced quite well. God bless you. God bless America, and happy Moparing. Bye.